All right, we're going to try to wrap this up in two more short segments. As I'm understanding it, Chuck, each person who is participating in this study is going to be asking these questions. On the first night, they'll ask short questions, and then we'll go ahead and help the people to answer those questions again from their particular perspective.
Right, and here's why we're doing it. We're training people to be echoing God, because God spoke the whole world, the whole creation into existence, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are supposed to respond to that, speaking in such a way that we move His agenda along.
Mm-hmm.
So we're training them to speak such to transition from one situation to another. And at each of these 4 weeks, we're transitioning from one part of history or the Bible or the dialogical process to another. The first week, we will be taking them from Torah to wisdom. We will speak, we'll bring some example up from the first 7 books of the Bible and have them respond in something from the kingdom period.
Okay, so we're moving from the Genesis times and on up through the time of Judges.
That's Torah.
That's Torah, and we're moving into the time of David and Solomon and
till the exile.
Till the exile, where we have wisdom.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
so what we're training each person to do each week is to interact with the other person, one another, so that this other person is made more mature by being moved through the biblical pattern, just as in history.
So the first week we go from Torah to wisdom, or the kingly period.
Yeah.
And then the next week we'll come back and do it again with new questions, going from wisdom to prophecy.
Right.
Because wisdom was good, but it didn't answer everything. It wasn't. We had to grow then beyond wisdom into prophecy, and so we go from Torah to wisdom. Then the second week from wisdom to prophecy. The third week from prophecy to gospel. No.
Yeah.
Yes. Torah, wisdom, prophecy, gospel.
Yeah.
So the third week we go from prophecy to gospel. And then what happens the fourth week?
The fourth week we go from gospel to new commandment. Because it said our commission is to disciple all nations, baptizing them and teaching them all that I have commanded.
Okay.
So when we do that, we learn the imperative, and we find the person to speak to who is the man of peace, who is in charge of that particular area, and we move him.
So then we go out to the community, to the church, to everything.
One of the things we have to find out is who to talk to.
Okay.